Guys, I missed you so much, like so much. This is your wing lady, and I'm back with another late video. I love with my shenanigans already. I'm so excited. Can you feel the excitement? Oh my god, we're on 99 subscribers. Like, this is a sign. 99 subscribers. Please get me to 100 subscribers, and from 100 then we'll now go to 1000. No, wait, we do 200, we do 250, we do 500, then we go to 1000. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you. So today, guys, I did a perfume haul. This is December period, so you know you have to do dirty December. So I use my own dirty December money to do perfume haul, you guys. Now, bear in mind that these perfumes are new perfumes. I haven't even removed them from the packaging yet. So this video is going to be an unboxing video and first impressions video. Not that I've never smelled this perfume before. So I'm going to be showing you guys is almighty Mousuf perfume. Hey! This perfume is highly raved about. Like, all the Instagram vendors, I was like, Mousuf, buy Mousuf, buy Mousuf. I have bought it. Let us see what it is all about. I've never smelled it before. So this is a blind buy, complete blind buy. So it comes in this kind of like pouch. Oof. So you just take the perfume out like this. Mousuf. See? Okay, let's try it out. The cap is actually very heavy. It's pretty quality for the price. Okay, are we ready? I've never spilled it before, but okay. Oh, the atomizer is nice. Oh my god. Oh god. So this is why they rave about this perfume so much. Oh wow. That is delicious. Wow. It smells fresh. It smells green, like Creed Aventus, but not entirely Creed Aventus, but it has that kind of vibe, that freshness, that green vibe. Then it has some sort of leather in the background. Then something like citrus at the top. This perfume is deep and rich. No wonder they rave about it so much. Wow. Mousuf is nice. It makes you smell really, really exotic and rich. Wow. It's fresh, it's light. It doesn't really have oud. When you see Mousuf, you think that it has oud in it, but it doesn't actually have oud in it. It's calm, it's fresh, like a typical masculine scent. Little bit soapy, some green notes on the top, some leather notes in the background, and some sweetness in the heart, I think. Wow. It makes you smell rich. Oh my god. This is such quality. Well, I'm going to review this perfume on its own. All of the perfumes I'm going to be mentioning here, I'm going to bring out videos that I'm going to be reviewing each one of them one by one. So let's go to the second one, which is Oud Mood. I just got this perfume. See, I haven't even removed the packaging yet. So you guys know that I'm just bringing it fresh for you guys. I've heard so much about this perfume. Everybody's raving about Mousuf. What is so Oud Mood? What is so special about this perfume? I had to find out for myself. And so I bought it. See? Terrible. I've never smelled it before. So I think you open it like this. Ooh, wow. Look at that presentation. Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. The cap is not sealed tightly, so be careful. Wow. Oh my god. Okay. Oud Mood. Now, this one, I'm going to spray here. You know, I sprayed this one here, so I'm going to spray this one here. Let's go. Okay, sprayed. I can smell it from here. And I haven't even brought it closer to my nose. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. No wonder. Everybody's like, buy oud mood, buy oud mood, buy oud mood. So, auntie, it smells like they're abroad. It doesn't smell like Nigeria around here at all. It smells like Dubai. Wow. This is a combination of the oud is there, right? But it is light. It is not that kind of deep, skanky oud that you find in some perfumes that are off-putting. So if you're a beginner in oud, in Arabic perfumes, you can easily buy this one. It has some sort of sweetness at the top. It's very sweet. It's a sweet perfume. Then it has incense in it. Yeah. Then you can catch up on roses. Yeah. My God. If you wear this perfume, everybody's going to think you're a billionaire, even if you are just a millionaire like me. Wow. That is so nice. It comes with a pamphlet inside it. I think this is the list of Lattafa perfumes. I'm going to be reviewing each of these perfumes. So please comment down now in the comment section. Which one do you want me to review first? Like, which one do you want me to review first? Now, moving on. This perfume, it is no stranger. Okay, I have the original Barakkat Rouge 540, okay? So that's why I've never been actually. When people wear this around me, I'm just like, okay. But since it's a perfume haul, I decided to buy this. I just want to see what the whole rave is all about. Like, when you have the original, you don't kind of like need all this. But since everybody is talking about it, it's the greatest perfume in town. It's the this, is the that. Here we go. Let us try it. Wow. Okay. How do we... Because me, I'm confused. Do I get easily confused? Where do we open it to? Okay. It has a sleeve. I didn't know. Apparently, I'm supposed to take it out from the box like this. Sorry. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's see what this is about. You can tell I've never actually bought this perfume before. But let us see. Woo! Okay. Unboxing. And here we go. The almighty Barakkat Rouge 540. Everybody's like, Barakkat Rouge. You need to use Barakkat Rouge. Barakkat Rouge. Here we are. I've bought you. Let us see what you smell like. Okay. Let's do this. I'm not really picking up much. Bougie. I know Abiyedh said in her video that this perfume is bougie, but man, it doesn't jump right at you. Okay, it's kind of a calm but strong perfume. At the top note, I get some citruses, something medicinal though. Forgive me, but I'm getting that kind of sachet tomato vibe. You know, when you cut sachet tomato in your kitchen and you want to cook, that first smell that hits you is what I get at the top. That is the only note that is bothering me. Aside from that, it smells entirely like the original. I'm going to do a comparison of this one and Lattafa Abiyedh Rouge, and then the original Barakkat Rouge. It is sweet at the top. It is strong. It is intense. It has depth, this perfume. It has this sweet powderiness at the top. There's some sort of fruity vibe going on. There's something deeper. I cannot identify that last note. But what I get at the top is like when you cut open your sachet tomato, you're about to cook jollof rice. The first smell that hits your nose is what I'm getting right now. But I'm going to make a good comparison video between the Barakkat Rouge 540, this Barakkat Rouge 540, and Abiyedh Rouge. So that was number what? Number 3. Moving on to the next perfume. This is Bawadi. Okay? I don't really know about this one. It's by Asdaaf. It's one of those Arabian perfumes, but I don't really know about this. So let's unbox it together. Okay? Ooh, I'm a bit skeptical because I don't know what it's going to smell like. Okay. One has to be careful because of the cover. Wow. You guys see? Oh, that's such a bougie box. Bottle, oh my God. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's nice. It's plastic. Now let us spray this here. Okay. Okay. Nice atomizer. Okay. 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 Wow. 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 This one is a little bit deeper than Oud Mood. It smells a lot like Oud Mood, but deeper. Yeah, there's definitely oud in here, but I'm telling you, this oud is not offensive at all. It's well blended. It has some roses in there. I can smell some honey. These perfumes, this is a successful haul. Oh my God. You cannot wear this and people will just pass by you without giving you compliments. Wow. This is deep, is rich. It's a bit manly because it has some sort of leather in the background. I can get some leather in the background, something strong, but it's not the oud. But it is sweet at the top too. It can be compared to Oud Mood, but it has some sort of deeper notes than Oud Mood. It's also a sweet perfume. I like sweet perfumes, and this is sweet. Now, the last but not the least. Hey, God. I've heard so much about this perfume. I just can't wait to see what it smells like. This is Qaed by Lattafa. Okay? Even the presentation, the packaging is just so amazing because what is this? Let me use my trusty scissors. Okay. Okay. Qaed. I'm so excited about this one. I cannot wait to try it out. I've heard so much, but I've never smelled it before. So here we go. Qaed by Lattafa. It has this leather package presentation, and I think you're supposed to open it this way. I'm not sure about this. Oh, how is it supposed to go? Oh, okay. 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 You guys, check this out. Oh my God. It's golden. Wow. Are you supposed to remove it out of? Ooh. Okay. This is Lattafa Qaed. Let us see how it smells. Comment down below right now which one you want me to review first out of all these perfumes, okay? Okay. Qaed, let us see what you smell like. I'll spray it here. Okay, nice atomizer. Okay, nice atomizer. All right. Ooh, okay. Most people that review this perfume said it's super strong. It hits you with spices and all, but let me just calm down. Probably I'm not. It has some sort of. Yeah, it is fresh, just like Mousuf. I think it is a masculine scent, but not in a scary way, okay? It doesn't have any deep, skanky oud notes or anything. It has leather. It has some spices I can't quite identify. At the top is a bit peppery. You can smell the spices and pepper in here. Then a bit of some leathery notes at the back, but it's fresh. It's generally fresh. You know these masculine scents that are not too overbearing, like they don't just give you headache. It's a bit sweet at the top, but it is fresh. Yeah, it's fresh and green like plants. And some leather, some spices in the background. I will do a full review, like a real review of all of these scents, where I'm going to read out the notes and tell you exactly what they smell like. So let me know which one you want to see the review of first. Do you want to see Oud Mood, Barakkat, or Qaed? Which one do you want me to make a review of first? I'm so happy. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and like this video if you liked it. Wow, I'm loving this. Then I'm going to do another haul part 2 because this is not all. This is not all at all. So please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Ciao.